If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, your heart is racing, or you're feeling out of balance, today we bring you alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, to balance the two hemispheres of the brain. And stay with me until the end of the video because we'll give you a mudra, a hand gesture technique to make this pranayama way more effective. So let's understand the basic of alternate nostril breathing. Why do we alternate the nostril as we're breathing in and out? Nadi Shodhana Pranayama or Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing, purifies your nadis. See, according to Hatha Yoga, we have 72,000 nadis. Nadis, think about this as energetic channels which carry prana. From these 72,000 nadis, three are the most important: your Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi, and the Sushumna Nadi. When you're breathing from the left nostril, your feminine side is more dominant. And as you breathe from the right nostril, Pingala Nadi, your masculine self, and the Sushumna Nadi, when the breath is balanced from your left nostril and your right nostril. So the whole point of doing alternate nostril breathing is to balance the nostrils, balance the Ida and the Pingala Nadi and activate your Sushumna Nadi. Then your feminine and masculine sides are in balance, in harmony. And even if you don't believe in the yogic science, the physiological benefits are clear. It balances your nervous system, it activates your vagus nerve, reduces your anxiety, and improves your presence, improves your concentration. So, how do we do this? First, we find a cross-legged position, sit down with a straight spine. Very important to have a straight spine because we want the prana to flow up through the spine. And here's a tip: when you do the alternate nostril breathing, you can just close your eyes and bring your whole focus, your attention on the passage as the breath moves in and out of your nostril, in and out of your body. See if you can just simply put all your brain power into tracking that breath. So let's begin the first round of alternate nostril breathing. In the first round, we'll do inhale for 6, exhale for 6. Inhale for 6, exhale for 6. Second round, we introduced Kumbhaka, the retention of breath. Inhale 6, hold on top, 6, and exhale 6 again. Again, inhale 6, hold 6, exhale 6. Third round, we increase the hold to 12 seconds. Inhale 6, hold 12, and exhale 6 again. So we'll continue with this count. So it's not about forceful breaths, inhaling and exhaling. It's about quiet, controlled, and gentle breath. So be gentle with yourself as you're inhaling and exhaling. So without any further ado, find a comfortable cross-legged, keeping your spine straight and coming into Vishnu Mudra. So we bring the first two fingers to fold. We'll always use right arm to do this. If you use the left, this would confuse the elements. See, we have 5 elements in the body, and your right nostril represents fire, pingla, masculine, and your right thumb or your thumb represents fire elements. So you want to align the fire with the fire. Inhaling from the left, 6. Exhale right, 6. Inhale right, 6. Exhale left, 6. Inhale left, 6. Exhale right, 6. Inhale right, 6. Exhale left, 6. Inhale left, 6. Exhale right, 6. Inhale right, 6. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. And exhale left 6. Beautiful. Now come into meditation, close your eyes and watch your energy. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we go into the second round. Here we introduced Kumbhaka, the retention of the breath. So remember, when you're doing the energy purification pranayama, this is also known as energy purification pranayama because there's energy stuck in the nadis, the channels which carry the energy, the prana. And when you hold the breath, then you create a little pressure in the prana. So the prana starts to move a little more quickly. Think about a hose. When the water is flowing through the hose and you hold the tip of the hose, it creates pressure. The water is trying to gush out. And when you release, it gushes out. So the same effect happens when you start to hold the breath, kumbhaka, in your body. All right, let's quickly talk about where would you retain the breath when you do kumbhaka. As you inhale, hold the breath. The breath should be held in your belly. So you expand the belly and then contract the belly as you're exhaling. All right, let's go on to the second round. Here we introduce the hold for 6, inhale for 6, and exhale for 6. Inhale 6, pinch the nose, hold 6, exhale 6. Beautiful. Inhale 6, hold 6, engage root chakra. Exhale 6. Inhale 6, hold, exhale 6. Inhale 6, hold, exhale 6. Inhale left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, exhale left. One more round. Inhale left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, and exhale left. Beautiful. Very slowly come to meditation. Watch the energy rising. Slowly start to open your eyes. Beautiful job, my friends. Let's go on to the third round. Here we double the hold so we can create a little more pressure in the nadis so we can purify the nadis. Again, coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhaling 6, left, hold 12, engage the root chakra. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold 12. Exhale right 6. Inhale right. Hold 12. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold 12. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold 12. Exhale left. Beautiful job. Continue for one more round. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale right 6. Inhale right. Holding for 12. And exhale left. Beautiful job. Come into meditation. Watch the energy rising up. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. So these are the 3 rounds you'll practice for the next 30 days to bring your body into balance, to bring your masculine and your feminine into balance, to bring the left and the right hemispheres of your brain into balance. So practice this for the next month so your body can create a memory of harmony, of balance. And then you start seeing the effects of this harmony into your daily life. And if you want to follow this guided animation where it's timed for you, you can just download our app called the School of Breath app from your iOS store or Play Store. and you can just go along with the animation. And on the app, you'll have more control. It's going to be timed. You can close your eyes and you can change the number of cycles and customize the breathing technique the way you want. So after each round, when you sit in meditation, you'll be engaging Akash Mudra, or called Space Mudra. The middle finger represents your space element. So you'll bring the tip of the thumb and the tip of the tallest finger together and then come into meditation. This is called your Akash Mudra. So this would enhance the benefits of balancing the space element, or balancing your Ida and Pingala and activating the space element in your body. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session ebook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. If you found a little value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, pranayama, and breathing in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abidugal. Namaste, peace, and love. And thank you for joining the School of Breath.